Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I did this super fun, super easy, glowy summer makeup tutorial. And if y'all want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Hey everyone, so today we are doing a super minimal makeup look. Well, not super minimal. This is how I do my makeup whenever it's like hot outside and I want to look nice, but I want more than a 10 moisturizer. You know, I want to look put together, but not like a full glam type of look. So I'm going with this Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This primer is awesome for making your skin nice and glowy. As you can see, I have like a pimple right here. I don't know if it's a pimple or if I got bit by something, but like, it's really red. I woke up this morning and I was like, what the heck happened to my face? So for foundation, I know this sounds stupid because we just put on a luminizing primer, but I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Matte HD Long or High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation. I'm using this because you do not need to set this with a powder. It dries, like really dry to your skin, so I'm not going to need to set it or anything. And having this primer underneath will add just a little bit of a glow that will come through this foundation. So it all works out in the end. So like I said, I'm just applying this all over the face. I love this foundation. Number one, because it's a little bit yellow toned, and number two, because you don't have to set it. Like, it just dries super matte, and it's great. Like, I don't like to set my foundations because I feel like I get too cakey, but my skin gets very oily in the summer, so I feel like I have to set my skin down or my foundation will move around. But with this foundation, I don't have to worry about it. So I'm only doing one layer of this, but I am going to take another little half a pump and I am just going to run this down the neck to make sure that our face blends in with the rest of the neck. I always do this step no matter if my foundation matches or not, just because no one likes makeup lines. No one at all. And since I'm wearing my hair in a ponytail, I am really making sure to blend this back into my hairline so I don't have any discoloration. So for concealer, I always go in with something kind of lightweight. I'm going in with these Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I think I might be almost out, but we're gonna make it work. Putting this right underneath the eyes, and I'm taking a little bit more and putting it right on top of that spot, and then I will just do one swipe across the eyelid. And then I will take a little bit of this and just put a little bit on the chin, a little on the Cupid's bow, and a little down the nose. Just a little on the forehead. Then I will go back in with that same beauty blender and just blend all of this in. As you can see, this concealer gives some coverage, but it is a very light coverage. I was doing like a full coverage face, I would take a little bit of green concealer and like go over this bump, but I just don't feel like it today. I mean, everyone breaks out, so whatever. I don't know if you guys are sitting at home thinking like, oh my god, I never break up. Break up. If you guys are sitting at home thinking, I never break out, you're lying. You're so lying. Like, I even have a few pimples on my forehead, and they're kind of peeking through a little bit, but it's okay. It's summer. Embrace your skin. Then to set my concealer, going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm only setting underneath my eyes with this. Going underneath the eyes and on the eyelids. Just to prep for our eyeshadow. Up here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the eyes. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I am going in with my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm taking the shade Eden right here, and I'm just gonna begin working this all in the crease. I am not being really precise with this. I am just running this shade everywhere in the crease. I'm going from inner corner to outer corner and blending up into the transition area as well. Just like that. Super quick, super easy. And just to add like a little bit of something something, going in with the shade Saffron, that really pretty red right there, and I'm literally dipping once into that shade, and then I'm going right into the crease with this. Again, I am going from inner to outer corner. I'm blending up the less product I get on my brush. Then I'll just go back in with Eden and just blend, 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 so there are no harsh lines. Okay. While we have those out, I'm going to take a teensy little bit of saffron and go right underneath the lower lash line. Eden, going right underneath just to blend that area out. Kind of varies for how I feel on that certain day. I will either go in with a shade like this, like a goldish shade, or like one of these two shades. This is more like a champagne, this is more pinky, and that's more gold. I think I'm going to go in with this one today. Yeah, I'm going to go in with Celestial. It's like a rose gold shade pretty much. The color Angelic is like a little bit more gold, and then Nefertiti, that is more of a gold shade, but I'm going in with Celestial, and I'm literally just picking this up on my finger and just putting it on the lid. Applying this, I'm not being like light-handed or anything, and I'm also taking it just a little bit up into the crease just so that we have this glow like all over the eyelid. that, I do go back in with my big brush one more time and just kind of blend to make sure that glitter isn't too harsh. And this is the finished eyes. I feel like you can't see the color as good, but it's super pretty in person. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the face. I am taking this bronzer, this Revlon Photo Ready bronzer. I've talked about this before. I love it, but I can't find it anywhere. So, you know, that part kind of sucks. But I'm just taking this and I'm just going right into the cheeks. Too precise with this today, mostly because I'm wanting to like bronze more instead of contour. Then I'm going around the forehead. And I'm going to go around the jawline just a teensy little bit. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going with this Lorac blush in the shade of Prism. It's just a super pretty peachy shade. I'm taking this on the same brush that we bronzed with. And I am just dabbing this down into the skin. I'm starting with the backs of the cheeks, and then I will work my way inwards. Going to take a teensy little bit and put it on the nose just to give that like really sun-kissed, like sunburned look. Then I'm taking some and putting it around the temples right here just to do the exact same thing. So, you know, it just gives you that like sun-kissed, sunburnt look to your face. And now I'm going back in with my big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blend around a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just put it on the chin as well, just because this area is a little bit more white. I'm gonna blend again. And now I'm going to do a highlighter. This one honestly depends on what shade I use for my eyeshadow palette. I use the Maybelline Master Chrome every day. I use the gold one when I use that, that's the C one that's more gold. And, if people don't stop texting me, interrupting my video. Okay. So I use the gold whenever I use a gold shadow, but today I'm going to use the rose gold one since I used the rose gold on the lid. Okay, and this may seem a little crazy, but I'm just going to take this Ecotools angled blush brush, and I'm just dipping right in, and I am just going in with this because I don't want this to be like super precise. I want it to be kind of like an all over glow. So I'll just take this and put it mainly on the cheekbone, so then I kind of like blend it around. So as you can see, I get like a glow everywhere. Okay, normally I don't do my brows on camera, but today is going to be so easy that I'll show you guys. And number one, my eyebrows are like super bad right now because I'm trying to get them to like thicken up. So I'm letting them grow out, but they look like crap. So I am literally just taking my product. I'm starting at the outer part of the brow. And I'm working my way in, but I'm going in super lightly. I'm using the most minimal product that I can. And I'm going to go ahead and brush them through. And I will just take a teensy little bit, put it on the outer edge of the brow, just to kind of create my arch, because my arch is not very defined. I got all these excess hairs growing around, but none of them want to grow in the arch of my brow. Like I said before, I'm not being like too precise with this. I am just getting some color down just like that. Then I am going on this side, doing the exact same thing. Let's see, this is the bad brow. My other brow almost does great, but this one looks like crap all the time. Because my brows are so like untamed, I am just going to take a teensy little bit of concealer. I normally don't do this, but I'm going to take a teensy little bit of concealer and I'm just cleaning up right underneath. And that is it. I am not going above the brow. I'm just going underneath. And plus, this will like highlight the brow bone so that we don't have to. And just kind of like, it's like a 2-in-1 step. I'm just going to go ahead and do some clear lash and brow mascara just to brush these babies up. I do like brushing them like up at the front and then laying them down a little bit the further I get back. I just feel like it makes them look a little bit more bushy, a little bit more relaxed. These are the finished brows, super bushy. So now I'm just going to throw on an teensy little bit of mascara. For my lips, I'm just going to go in with this highlighter. And I'm just going to put it like on my lips. Then I'm going in with this Hand Cosmetics All Natural Cheek and Lip Tint in the shade Coral Hibiscus. And I am just going to put this literally all over lips. I get that on, I will go in with a little bit of lip gloss. Sometimes I'll just use some Vaseline, but I'm going to use lip gloss today. This is my Victoria's Secret Beauty Crush lip gloss. I don't know what color this is, but it's like just like the light pink one. And I just got a little bit and just kind of tap it in. Last thing, I am taking my highlighter I used on the face, and I am just taking it and just dabbing it in with my finger, so right there on the inner corner. Okay, you guys, this is my finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if y'all want to see any more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bells so you know whenever I post a video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks, everyone. Bye.